What's going on, guys? I want to welcome you guys to another awesome episode of Mud Monster TV. Look who I got with me right here. Hey, no, you gonna say hey? You gonna say hey? Hey, say hey. Yes, guys, listen, if you haven't already, guys, hit the subscribe button. Follow us, guys, for some awesome, great content, guys. We're going to have some more videos coming up to you guys really soon. Today, we're going to be installing a HMF exhaust on one of my brothers. He has a KingQuad Suzuki 750, and he's ready to roll. So we're going to be setting this up for you guys today, and we're going to have a video real quick of the install, guys. So stay tuned. Let's go. All right, guys, here is the exhaust, and we're just waiting for him to get here. Right here, here's the exhaust right here, guys. Nice exhaust, slip-on exhaust. He's ready to sound off, guys, and we're just waiting for him to get here so we can put this bad boy on. Let's see how it sounds. Let's go. What's going on, Steve-O?
What's up, baby? What's up?
All right, guys, here he is. We're about to get ready to change out this exhaust. What's going on, man?
What's going on, bro?
All right, guys. It's Terry with his Grizzly 700. He ready to roll eight. All right, guys. Here it is, guys. We're getting ready to change out this exhaust on the 750 KingQuad Suzuki factory. Right now, it's about to be gone. Steve, how you feel, man? That's Terry with the 700 Grizzly. Yeah, just a slip-on, man.
Just a little noise, you know. Added for the team, baby. Oh, that's gonna look so sweet,
Man.
Sweet. Oh my God. So let's get it on, buddy. Let's get it started. HMF in the building, baby. You know how we do it.
Hey, hit it again, man.
Suzuki. Quads, baby.
Steve done got his pipe on. HMF.
Ready.
Ready to sound off, guys.
Got that little silver bullet hanging out the back.
He said the silver bullet.
The silver bullet.
That's what he called it, the silver bullet.
The 12 gauge.
The 12 gauge? Jew, man, what you think about it, man?
Love it, bro. Love it.
That thing loud, bro.
Love it, man. Love it.
Man, y'all ready to hit the mud?
You better know it.
Better know it, man. Listen, y'all stay tuned. More videos coming soon, guys.